gang. Dan Mafia. Yo, look who the fuck is back. Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, man, after a long await, a brief, I'll say vacay or a brief hiatus. Yeah, man, Byron Messia is finally back with a new track and the one entitled Levelz. You see me, gang? I want to check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, gang. Byron Messia been missing in action for a while now. The last song he dropped, actually, he did drop a song the other day, La 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 La. But before that, he was missing for a while. We did La La reaction. But still, he been missing for a while. Look like he's officially back there, kick off in New Year the right way. We don't want to name Levelz, man. We're not going over. We have to check it out right now, gang. Right now. You see me? Let's get it, gang. Yeah, man. Byron Messia Levelz. Come on. Come on, Byron. Don't let it down. Oh, we don't dog, do the right thing, you see it? Drop some bangers power head top for the new year, dog, do it. You see now? Dog, no left it in now, man, with the extender. Chip clap with the extender. Dog, I'm on a $20 bill, that's a wicked man, youth. Because I use the $20 in a dog to buy some brain food in a brother. What you do, Byron? I brain food money that in a Byron. What you do, dog? No, man.
What you know about drugs money? Neck full of cow with the box money.
Easy. No, man, I'll gunshot for the one, man. Man say, yeah, my youth. Neck full of carrot. I want to bugs, but hey, my youth. One year the line about that. Come in, man. Bugs money, where you go?
What you know about drugs money? Neck full of
carrot
with the box money.
Hey. What do you know about drugs money, my youth? Eh? Neck full of carrot, I want to Bugs Bunny. This are no Looney Tunes. I want to you, man. Come on.
Money up like hush puppy.
Hush puppy.
Like gonna they a live luxury.
Yeah.
And these streets get all love for me. Me not just a girl, me
easy.
a fuck body.
I mean, no man, the dog say $5 grand a day. Hey, all no money.
Free up killer in a custody. Young millionaire, you coulda work for.
Dog say free up killer in a custody. That's killer we talking about, bro. The one that Pumpy Boss went on live, I say, oh, killer sell no soul to get out of jail, boy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, say that's a free killer from custody. Yeah, man, big up the thugs then. Yeah.
And the key they must be like express touch.
Yeah. Oh, God. See, every right I let off that we're gonna have pre like space start shoot. Like a iron figure school, man. You make sure say we see me that thing, brother. Oh, I'm here, man.
Send a private plane for me take off.
Yeah.
Couple of me dogs, them ready for road. Real bad.
That's a private jet, you know. Send a private jet for me take off, you know. And one say, yo, hey, we don't do the commercial thing no more. We don't do the blood clot economy. The coach. Private jet, bro. You got our first class.
You be prayer to the Lord if you make it back home.
Yeah.
It's full of diamonds, neck full of gold.
That's a fact. You got to pray to the life and make it back home when you go out and come in. You have to pray to the Father, man. I'm here rich full of gold. I'm here, man. Come in.
Full of greens like a herbalist. They must say we are the God, but I'm not church I keep.
Man, say you hear that? Pocket full of green like a herbalist, bro. You see me? They must say we are the God, but I'm not church I keep, bro. You see me? Just I do the right thing and do what we are do and do we. You see me? Yeah, man. They must say they see God, but I'm not church I keep, brother. Yeah.
Like a herbalist. They must say we are the God,
but I'm not church I keep. That mafia. Easy, man, say up there now. Be a famous girl want the G now. You see me? But you don't love them off. You see me? You just say, hey.
Tell them my levels to this.
Yeah. Levels to this. Man, I make you know, say. Levels to this, bro. You look a baby level when come sound upon. Man, short pass, man, say, yo, me the thing say, yo, I want to do it, dog. But come like, yo, me come on a higher level and I realize, say, dog, there's levels to this, dog, bro.
Papa dance if you load up, you see them. Say they full of gun dog, but I will give them. No man, them might be.
Buckley, the man today say they full of gun, I will give them. Who feels sorry for them on game shop?
Now me hot up them migraine. Squeeze pan them at the can and bust it. Oh, them a wife a bitch,
Buckley, keys, but the button a bust. Oh, them a wife a bitch and a me a How my talk?
In the head when me a talk it. Who's in the range where she has suck it. With the color, pick up the other. We blaze the llama, pan and informer. We are the
blaze the llama, pan and informer. Warm to the man.
Like USB charger. Una like we got suck.
Relax it, broke like USB charger.
And informer. We are the plug like USB charger.
Oh, we are the plug like USB charger, brother. Up to them, man. Yeah, man. Hey.
Una like we got suck your mother. No boy can't knock me there. Don't give a fuck what you got to say. Everybody have to move like Andale. One more run like one will.
Yeah.
Go for the ups today. Wait for the beat like that.
Yeah. Easy there, I got chop on them in them Prada, easy. They got chop on them easy. Hey, come in.
Clean up your house pants Saturday.
One time I say I have the broom, I go clean up your house pants.
Wait for the beat like that. Walk the boom and down, we all clean up your house pants Saturday.
Yeah, man, walk the broom, them dog, I'll clean up your house like Saturday. I'm out here, easy, the man. They must be like
special. Mechanism for your boy, face take off. Send a private plane for me take off.
Tear rifle must spray like spray starch, bro. Line your ass up, boy. Line your ass up, boy, on that beam, nigga. Gonna leave you lined up like when, you know, like when pants well pressed. And you have your line on seam night, brother. Hey! 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 Yeah, my dog, them ready for roll, brother. Real bad dogs like Al Capone. No coward, no soft fat, no eat that, no viasso. Come here.
It's full of diamonds, neck full of gold.
Hey!
Tell them I never do this.
Yeah.
Pocket full of greens like a herbalist.
Yeah.
I say we are the God, but I'm not church. I keep.
Oh my. Pocket line with the greens, bro. Yeah, man, I think a herbalist think it's a dispensary, this, bro. I think it's a growth farm, brother. Green diamond, youth. I'm here, man. Yeah, we're vegetarian over here. And I'm say, oh, buddy, but say, see, God, yeah. I'm a church, bro. I'm a church service. You see me? Hey.
Tell them I never do this.
Yeah.
Famous bitches, man, fuck we have.
Yeah.
We don't love it tough. And we money tough.
Yeah, famous gal, we don't love it tough. Our money tough, bro. Which one? Yo, Byron. We don't know informing thing, we want you. Which gal them a link your dog? Which one of the famous gal them a link your dog? We are a link your dog. Nicky link your dog. Wow, go on, let me know, man. Shensia, Jada Kingdom. Which one of them, man? You see me? Yeah, Steph London, Stan Ashley, Mayan. Oh, bro. We need to know which girl them now. You see me? You need to start knock down a couple of them famous girl in the Byron. We know, say the 6 man them catch bodies, you know, but want to see I catch some bad girl bodies, brother. Not these bros, no, but live some life, make us sit there, make it dad them from St. Kitts and Trinidad, know, say, yo, them can make it too, and live life and get some bad bitches and get the money. You know me? I want to see you knock off some bad girl head, man. You see me? Look for the war thing, bro. Get some bad bitches, bro. Live life, want to see you on that. You see me? Lavish shit, nigga. Fuck that shit. Niggas getting the music for the wrong reason. Want to war with man and cuss with man. Nah, dog, I'm getting this money, fucking these bad bitches and living life. That's what I'm doing. Tripping. Yeah. Let's take off. Yeah, like take off. A long time. I used to play starch in the dog. I remember I used to go to high school, bro. You know, every morning after I iron a car. Well, I used to iron for in the evening. And I wake up a morning and iron for overnight. You see me? Spray starch, well, seam out. You see me? Well, neat, brother. Home to them. I know a lot of y'all don't even know how to use the iron these days. You know what I'm saying? So y'all know what spray starch is, bro. Yeah.
Couple of me dogs, them ready for road. Real bad dogs like Al
Capone.
You will pray to the Lord if you make it back home.
Yeah, man, you have to pray to the Lord, bro. If you make it back home, man, and give him thanks, man, every time I go out and come in. Which is right. Oh, you mean, man, Bamba?
It's full of diamonds, neck full of gold.
Yeah, man. It's full of diamonds, neck full of gold. Aye! You got Byron. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, definitely one of the best in the game, bro. Shout out to Byron, bro. Keep doing this thing, bro. Real dope track, bro. I definitely enjoyed that one. And it's been long enough, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's about damn time, Byron. It's been long enough, bro. I mean, he did drop La 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 the other day, but still. Before that, bro, he was gone for months, bro. He was gone for months. He was like, what the fuck going on? But we know you signed and shit. So you probably on a little tour and stuff. So we was wondering, but it's about time, bro. Got to see you back, bro. You see me once again. Yeah, man. Shout out to Byron Messia on that dope ass track, bro. You see me? That was dope shot. Go definitely go check out the one named Levelz. Come like a dog, I get used to being famous and getting set in his career as an artist. You see me? I said, yeah, man. Glad to see you, bro. I don't know, gang. If I like it, definitely show the artist some love and support, man. You know, so Jambisco dancing. Drop your thoughts, man. Let me know what you think about that one in the comment section, bro. What's your favorite part? See me yourself, beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff, man. Let me know, man. And also, gang, make sure you join the Discord. Link is in the description. Is fixed. Join the Discord. Become part of the gang. Become part of the mafia. Send me videos directly to react to. Send requests, all that good stuff. Talk to me directly at any time. You see me? Yeah, man, it's lit, gang. Join part of the mafia. Become part of the gang. You already know what time it is. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.